In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change FOV on your Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a specific setting that allows you to indirectly change the field of view on your Oculus Quest 2 or 3. So this option is going to be available under the camera category. So go into the settings on your Oculus Quest, and under camera, you will be able to find image stabilization. As you can see according to the description, change how much to reduce the appearance of headset movement in videos. Increasing stabilization will decrease the recorded field of view. So basically, the higher you go on this setting, the lower field of view you are going to have. So even though it is not going to affect it directly, you can still change this in order to have a wider or smaller field of view. So if you want to have the highest field of view available, make sure that this is set to off. If this option is set to off, the field of view will be the highest possible. You won't notice a difference when you move around, look around, but overall it is still a worthwhile trade-off. So try to find a common or a good middle ground, like setting this to low or medium, or set it to off if you simply want the highest FOV possible. Besides this, there's no option to directly change the field of view, so you will not be able to find a slider or something similar. The last thing that I want to recommend is if you remove this foam facial interface or faceplate from the front of your Oculus Quest, you can then install something like this. This will place the lenses of the Oculus Quest 2 closer to your face. Of course, it is going to be a paid solution, but this battery pack head strap accessory can make it feel quite nicer. It is going to be more pressed up against your face, which gives you a better FOV and puts you closer to the lenses. It is developed by Bobo VR and they have plenty of accessories like this, but because it is a paid solution, I believe that not everyone will want to go through with this. Regardless, I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.